friends, welcome to my channel. I am Teresa and today we are going to continue working on this. I just got it back from my mother and she did an amazing job. Look at that beautiful binding. And for those of you who don't know, during the winter my hands get really bad that I can't bind my own books. So my mother is doing them for me, thank goodness. So what we're going to do is I have some stamps and stencils we're going to put right in here and glue all this down and get this ready for decorating. Yeah. So fun. This turned out so adorable. Okay, let's start with, thought I had a white up here. Guess not. We're gonna go with a green on this side, and we're gonna use this stamp. Who doesn't like dots? And some are gonna be more greenified than others, and that's okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it right here and we're gonna press. How fun is that? Okay, and then we're just gonna glue that down and that first page is done. So while I go through and do this, there's a lot of new people here. I thought we would have a little chat while I do this. So, obviously, my name is Teresa. I am a avid crafter of just about anything, except for crocheting and knitting. I can't do that to save my life. That's my daughter's genre. So a little bit about like my background is I am dyslexic. I have ADHD. So the combination of the two can make this way fun sometimes because I forget words. Not meaning to, but unfortunately I do. I just realized I need to, here we go. Sorry, I thought I want to get this a little bit. There we go. Yeah, I don't mean to not think of the right word or say things wrongly. That is totally the dyslexic in me, and I just recently, a year ago, got diagnosed with fibromyalgia, and that was part of FibroFog. I started this channel to help with my mental health because I'm here to tell you it was pretty not nice when it came to after my father passing and all of that stuff. I just couldn't handle life. And so I started this channel as a distressor because it was a little bit, it was right near the time when the pandemic started, and yeah, you know how that goes. So I have 2 kids, a fabulous husband, and my mom is amazing when it comes to journaling stuff. She does journaling too. We both I started it a while ago and then didn't like what I did, and then years later my mom was like, oh look, after my dad passed, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's way cuter than what I originally tried to do and started, so I picked it back up. It's a fun way to add all the genres of crafting together. You know, I love quilting, and this is an excellent way to add my fabric love and all that kind of stuff. So worked pretty good. All right, we are going to get some glue right on here. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now we have another side pocket. And I think I'm just gonna do a simple, oh, I can't find my right brush. Hold on. Okay, I don't know where it went, so we're just gonna add some Distress Vintage Photo. Why is that coming off? Onto here. Let's try to find my brush for it, but I don't know where it went. So this will work. Huh. You stipple that in. So now that my kids, I've never been consistent on this, mainly because my family came first, my kids came first. This was set up as for my mental health. And that was important to me. I think we're going to do this again. But just like a little bit up here, not throughout the entire, just little bits. More like right in here. There we go, like that. So yeah, that's me. I recently got into jewelry making. I did it as a little girl, and now I'm back at doing it. And I think we're going to do the same thing on here, just because I really like the light, very light snowflakey with this kind of green stuff. So I need a little one up here. There we go. That looks great. So yeah, that's me in a nutshell. I can be very quiet, when I'm concentrating, very talkative at times, just varies, you know. So I think I'm going to leave this like this, and then people can just write on it. But I want to do some of these little stars on here with, let's do yellow. That would be fun. That's a green brush. There we go. There we go. And we'll probably put something tucked in there and put a something else right there. Now I need, hold on a minute. Okay. I think we're going to do red dots for this. can't find my distress ink, so I'm using archival ink. Oh well. Okay. That's adorable. So now with these, I'm going to just do a half punch. Go. Okay, that gets to be double. That's not planned, but that's okay. I'll do it different with this. Here we go. I think we just have one more. Yep, this one. Well, since I did the other one as a 2, I might as well do this as a 2 to even it out, right? There you go. All right. Oh, we got yellow on that. Oh, well. Okay, so now that this is done, the next step is to make our ephemera for this, which I'm so excited for. Because I got an idea the other day about it, and, you know, big packets. So I want big tags, and we're going to have our tags interactive, and have some where they're like little booklets and stuff like that. Anyhow, I have no idea what I'm going to do with this journal, but yeah. So anyways, thank you for joining me. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Think of subscribing. And I want you guys to know how important you are. Thank you. I appreciate you. See you next time. Bye.